So how easy is it to charge up your Evezy Zoe using a tethered charging point? In this case it's an Ultracharger which is on the Polar network, and as we have an access card given us and included in our subscription, we can use this one for free. So the first thing to do is to get the charging port ready, and we do that by opening the two flaps. So then we can go to the charger. First thing to do is to choose the method of payment. So we have a membership card, so we press there. It's then asking us to put the membership card in this position here. It's being checked and we've been accepted. We now need to select the charging type. In this case with the Zoe it is AC. And now it's asking us to connect the car. So we pick the AC cable, which is this one here. And then we can plug it into the Zoe. We heard it click and it's now locked into place so no one else can take it out. We hear a clunk normally, which means the car is starting to charge, and a few checks have been carried out which have been successful, and now the car is charging. So we can see it's telling you how much energy is being supplied and the elapsed time. And then if we go to the car, we should see the state of charge being displayed on the dashboard, and we can see at the moment, we can see that it's charging successfully, 46% at the moment, and it's saying the remaining time to get to full is 1 hour 45 minutes. Now on these chargers normally you only get 90 minutes, otherwise there's a fine. Obviously that's to encourage people to move on, so that everyone gets a chance to use these fast chargers. They're just designed for a quick charge and not to linger too long. So let's imagine now that we've finished charging, we want to move on. So we go back to the charger and we simply place our card where we did before. The card has been recognized, the charge is finished, and then we need to return to the vehicle just to release the cable, which we do just here. That obviously stops people unplugging us while we're away from the car. That will mean that we can take the cable out and put it back into its resting place back in the charger. Then of course we would want to close the flap, the inner one, then the outer one, and a little push, and we're all done and we're ready to go. So that's how easy it is to use a Polar Ultracharger to charge up your Evezy Renault Zoe.